Welcome to Edney Studios. I am Edney, and in this video we are come to learn how to color grade in Premiere Pro. Please make sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe to this channel. Let's get started. Okay, so open Premiere Pro. So this is the clip we want to color grade. So this is the clip right here. We want to add more color to this. Is a raw clip, so we want to color grade it. So we go into the color workspace. So we click the color workspace. This is my customized one, kind of customized. So then we go to the elementary colors. So in the elementary colors, first we create a sequence. So I created file new, then sequence. So then we click custom. I want it to be 23, yeah. So I'm creating a 1080p sequence. So after creating the sequence, we drag in the clip we want to edit. Keep existing sequence. I think this is a 4K clip. The 4K clip, so I think so 4K we decrease the size to fit. So then we go to the lumetri colors. So in this lumetri color, we are come to decrease the blacks to bring in some contrast, decrease it a little. Yeah, then we decrease the blacks and we decrease the shadows also. We bring down the highlights a little bit. I also do Photoshop tutorials, so you check out my channel if you want to learn Photoshop and color grading and stuff. So then we increase the contrast also. Increase the contrast in the white. So yeah, I increase the whites a little, and the blacks we decrease them. So bringing some contrast to the image if this the type of color grading you want to do. So we increase the temperature a little to bring in this warm. We want it to be a little warm. Yeah. So this was how it was before, and this is how it is now. So we're getting somewhere. So after this, then we go to the creatives, and this is where I increase the vibrance a little. I increase the vibrance and the saturation a little. It's just some basic color grading. So you can also use LUTs and stuff, but the LUTs here are not really what I want. So you can use these LUTs. This will kind of change. So this LUTs and stuff, but this is not what I'm going for. So I just manually create my own grading. I think so increase the sharpness a little. If you want, you can increase. You can bring in more vibrance. So this is how we've gotten. So this was before and this after. So after this, we want to add some vibrance. We want to add some vignettes too. We want to add some vignettes to the image to center it on the subjects. So we decrease the amount. We decrease the amount and decrease the feather. I decrease the feather to see the exact place or the exact place the vignette is affecting, so that we can adjust the midpoint and the roundness. So we on the midpoints. So I want this roundness, and we send back the midpoints. Think then we increase the feather. When you want more of the vignettes or more of the blackness or darkness, you can increase the amount, but I think I'll leave the amount somewhere here. So this is this without the vignette. So this without the vignette, and this with the vignette. So this apparently how I accomplish this grading. So then I set the in and out point by selecting the footage and using the question mark key on the keyboard to set the in and out points. Press enter to render it in and out. Okay, so this the rendered. So this is the video. So this after is graded. So this, let's play it in a loop and see. So this before the grading, and this after the grading. So yeah, this how to color grade this style in Premiere Pro. Please make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you've not already. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Peace.